welcome back to my channel. So here's a little review of where we left off, the inside of the camper with the sink and the couch that is potential bed in place. Here's the awning that was originally there, and yay, it works! Really surprised and happy about that. Got the hitch on my car, or CRV I should say, and tried pulling it around. A little tricky, I must say. So there were no walls. Put the Velcro on the other side. There was already, Velcro on one side. Had to measure it, taped it in place, traced out where it goes, and then stitched it up so that the walls could go up. There's the first wall. They kind of fit together like a jigsaw puzzle, if you will, with Velcro. So Velcroing on the top and the bottom, and then on the sides. I measured them, of course, to see where I could put the hem. Zip open it up again before we do the final fitting. Decided to put at least one window in place. That's really all she needs. She's so tiny. It was a little harder than it seemed, but I had some great help. Tracing out where it was gonna go, sewing in the screen, and here she goes in her first camping space, the glamper, with all of her features, and one happy camper. Final video of Fancy. She is in use, as you can see. Her first trip, all set up. The TV sadly has no reception, but fortunately I downloaded Netflix, and this is how we do it. You see the plantain is going. I use a little coffee maker for my tea. Lots of creature comforts here. And this is how a Jamaican Cuban American glams.